Welcome to Prospecting Explained. In this video, we'll explore what prospecting is, why it matters, and how you can master this essential skill to grow your business. Whether you're in sales, marketing, or business development, prospecting is the foundation of your success. Prospecting is the process of identifying and researching potential customers who might benefit from your product or service. It's about finding the right people to talk to before you try to sell them anything. Think of it as the detective work that happens before the actual sale. Prospecting is crucial because it directly impacts your sales pipeline and revenue. Without good prospecting, you'll waste time talking to people who aren't interested. With effective prospecting, you fill your pipeline with qualified leads who are ready to buy. It's the difference between hitting targets and missing them. The prospecting funnel has 4 stages. First, you identify potential prospects from a large pool of people. Then, you research and qualify them to see if they're a good fit. Next, you reach out and initiate contact. Finally, you engage with them and move promising prospects forward in your sales process. Each stage narrows down to higher quality leads. ICP stands for Ideal Customer Profile. Your ICP is a detailed description of the perfect customer for your business. It includes company size, industry, location, revenue, challenges, and buying behavior. Knowing your ICP helps you focus your prospecting efforts on the most promising opportunities rather than chasing everyone. There are multiple ways to find prospects. LinkedIn is excellent for B2B prospecting and networking. Databases like ZoomInfo and Hunter provide verified contact information. Cold calling lists can be purchased or compiled. Referrals from existing customers are often the highest quality. Industry events and conferences connect you with relevant prospects. Combining multiple sources gives you the best results. Before you reach out, do your homework. Visit their company website to understand what they do. Read their recent news and press releases. Check their LinkedIn profile to learn about their role and company. Look for pain points or challenges they might have. The more you know about them, the better you can personalize your approach and demonstrate genuine interest. You can reach prospects through multiple channels. Email is scalable and leaves a record of communication. Phone calls create immediate personal connection. LinkedIn messages work well for B2B prospecting. Social media allows you to engage with their content and build familiarity. The best approach is often to combine channels, starting with research, then moving to email or social, and following up with a call. Generic messages get ignored. Personalization is critical to standing out. Reference something specific about their company or recent news. Mention a mutual connection if you have one. Explain why you're reaching out to them specifically, not just anyone. Show that you understand their industry or role. Personalized outreach has significantly higher response rates than template messages. Your first outreach often won't convert someone to a meeting or sale. Follow-up is essential. Wait 3 to 5 business days before following up. Change your message slightly to provide additional value. After 3 to 5 contact attempts with no response, move them to a different category. Persistence is important, but know when to pause. Many deals close after the 5th or 6th touchpoint. Track these key metrics to measure your prospecting effectiveness. Contact rate is the percentage of outreach attempts that actually reach the prospect. Response rate is the percentage of contacted prospects who respond. Meeting rate is the percentage who agree to a call or meeting. Pipeline value is the total worth of qualified deals you've generated. Track these numbers and look for trends to improve your process over time. Let's recap the most important points. First, define your ideal customer profile before you start. Second, use multiple data sources to find prospects. Third, personalize everything in your outreach. Fourth, track and optimize your results continuously. Prospecting is a skill that improves with practice. Start today, measure your results, and refine your approach for consistent success.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.